So, pagka new GE files, right? Time management.
Yes po.
Gusto mo hanapin mo na sa side mo para makikita mo?
Um, Hold on there.
This one,
GE, okay.
GE
GE
files, nasa
files,
pinakadulo.
time management, okay. GE files, time management, okay po.
Yeah. So, yung
Clicking.
new GE, ito siya.
New GE time management.
So, just like IELTS, di ba yung warm-up, itong gagawin mo.
Mm-mm.
Tapos, after ng warm-up, ito gagawin mo. In here, ang sample dito is, I'll make it a little bigger. Ang sample dito is, let's say 2 p.m. yung demo. Tapos, ito yung total number of minutes. 50 minutes. Okay, so as you can see, yung warm-up is from leading, learning, objective, content. Warm-up to lahat. That's
Kaya 3 minutes. Okay.
4 minutes.
4, okay.
Yeah. So, in here, you will ask student, are you done with the pre-class? Because pag no GE, kaya siya no GE kasi si student was given some exercises to learn the vocab, ganun, to learn the vocab and I think grammar. I'm not so sure about the grammar, but basta may pre-class activities sila so that pagdating sa vocab, which is 10 minutes, tig 5 to. Tig 5 because there are activities. So, hahatiin mo kasi may vocab A tsaka vocab B. 10 minutes yon. Bahala ka mag-appropriate. Kung let's say, yung vocab B mas mahaba, gawin mo tong 6 minutes. Basta 10 minutes siya. Total. Okay? So, pagdating naman sa grammar naman, since it's just 5 minutes, you will just have to teach the grammar in a very easy manner. So, mamaya, when we see the website, I'll show you that there's like a left side, puro class notes, yung left side dito, puro class notes yun. You can see that you can use it like your board to teach the grammar easily. Just like, for instance, kunwari you're teaching present continuous tense. So, pwede mo siyang gawan ng sample sentence. She is reading, So, you can put there like a formula how to make present continuous tense. And then, that's how you will teach the grammar in a very easy manner. Tapos, kung may exercise, you mention the instruction, tapos gagawin nyo yung exercise. I'll put it here. Teach the grammar in a very easy manner. I think may ginawa na ako nito, pero I think nasa GE siya mismo. Hindi siya under time management, under siya sa mismo file ng GE dito. Kasi nilipat ko lang naman yung time management, pero pag titingnan mo dito, ayan na siya. Yung specific, ayan. So, it's the same. Pero pag tinignan mo dito, 53 minutes pala to, yun is 50 minutes. Actually, pinaglalaroan ko lang din yung time, Teacher Mark. Basta 50 minutes ang minimum. Tapos, lead in, learning objective, content. Content kasi babasahin mo lang yung content eh. Ano yung pag-aaral? So, 2, 3, 4, 4. As to the, ang pinaka-important lang dyan, have you done the pre-class, yung activities niya? So, pagka nagawa yung pre-class, oh, good job. Kasi nga nag-effort si student na to learn the vocab prior to your class. That's the main idea. So, pagdating ng, again, yung vocab A, usually yung material, sa PowerPoint, direct correction on mispronounced words. So, ang pinaka-tatandaan mo lang in this part, in vocab A, is comprehension. So, let's say, ang pinaka-mahirap na word, I think dun sa test page ng General English, ang pinakamahirap ata is queuing or something like that. So mag-ano ka lang, parang you choose mag-spot check ka lang na maybe you can choose the most difficult word and how do you ensure comprehension? But you ask them, can you use this word in a sentence? So meaning to say, pagka nagawa na they were able to use it in a sentence, then gets na niya.
Yes.
So, yan ang tatandaan mo for yung vocab A. Kasi this is just a list of words. And then, pagdating sa vocab B, minsan merong activities or minsan merong audio. So, kung may audio, ipa-play mo yung audio. Tapos, very important that you teach in vocab is, can you read this, Teacher Mark?
Teach at least 2 new words or expressions, synonyms, more advanced words.
Okay, so let's say ang pinag-uusapan nyo in New GE is about, let's say, travel. So anything that you can share that's coming from you that is related to your vocab, you can share this and reflect it in class notes, which is on the left side. Mamaya makikita. So let's say kung travel pinag-uusapan, my bucket list. So i-record mo si bucket list, explain that word, why it's related to travel, ganun. Highlight it. Yes. So, and then pagdating sa grammar, as I mentioned, teach the grammar in a very simple manner. Use the left side of the class notes to teach by putting there like a sample sentence. Then, if there's an activity, mention the instruction. Clearly and do the activity. So may mga pa-activity kasi po. Okay? And then, the next section is, so nagturo ka ng vocab, nagturo ka rin ng grammar. Pagdating sa speaking, application na ng vocab at ng grammar na bagong natutunan ng student. So, in speaking A, meron din siyang activities. So, kung may instruction, you have to mention the instruction clearly and do the activity. So, kung may audio, ipi-play mo si audio based dun sa instruction. So, all in all, speaking A and speaking B, 15 minutes. And since it's speaking, Teacher Marl, we encourage delayed feedback and refrain from interrupting student because we want them to express more. Ganyan. So let's say nagkaroon siya ng mistake. Sabi niya walang connectives, right? Let's say, teacher, I go supermarket weekend. So kulang-kulang, right? So ang delayed feedback is you reply to that with the right structure. You will say, student, let's say Marl, do you mean you go to the supermarket every weekend? So you reply with a correct structure already.
Yes,
so ganun ang feedback. Pagdating sa free talk A and B, it's also 15 minutes. And then ito rin ang kailangan mong tandaan. Teach at least 2 new words and expressions and have follow-up questions. Kasi in free talk, puro questions yan eh. You don't have to finish all of the questions in free talk as long as, kunwari, have you been to, let's say, not Hong Kong, have you been to, let's say, Eiffel Tower or Paris recently? Oh, teacher, I wanted to, but I really plan to go there, but I'm always busy, so I never got the chance to go there. Oh, really? So I also like to, kumbaga, yung reaction mo is about your student's answer. Like you're having a real conversation with your friend. Parang ganun. So really, so I also
Spontaneous
like,
po.
yeah, sorry.
Spontaneous po.
Yes.
Parang ganun.
So your follow-up questions won't be based on script yung nasa PowerPoint. You must have follow-up questions based on sagot niya. Okay.
Okay po.
So also in the warm-up, wherein there's also a set of questions in the warm-up, like there's a picture, like what do you think this boy is doing? So I think this boy is playing outside. Oh, you mean outside, like in a playground or mga ganon? Based on the reply, dun ka magpa-follow up question.
Okay po.
Okay? So, the most important thing is, let's say tumagal ka sa vocab. Tapos, medyo kinulang ka ng time sa free talk. The most important thing in an ET class or trial class is for you to be able to evaluate. Dapat mabibigay mo yung grade niya. Kasi ano siya, here is CEFR level. Pero madaling mag-leveling dito kasi you will see later when we see the website, it's so much easier as compared to IELTS.
Okay po, Tem.
So anyway, before you end, after the free talk, magsa-summarize ka by,
Recap.
since you have the learning objective here, you will also have to recap that in this class, you were able to learn this and that. Accomplishments ni students. Okay, questions so far?
Yes po, Tem. In vocab, yung pre-class po, Tem, is it like a written
Activity.
quiz for them? Yes po.
Activity. Embedded din siya dun sa system. Dun sa website.
But
So meron lang silang mga activity doon.
But the teachers cannot access it before the class.
You can just see the accomplishment if they did it or not.
Okay, I see. And for the grammar TM, like, is it okay? Because when I teach grammar, I usually make example like present continuous, so like S plus action plus ing.
Formula. Yes.
Formula.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. It's better to do that. What is not here is when you do like the introduction, because in the website meron dong name, hobbies, ganon. And then of course yung objective ni student. So, yung objective ni student nasa intro yun eh. Pero kasi hindi mo na makikita dito kasi nandun siya sa website. So, ang pinaka-important mong makuha sa intro is, apart from name, etc., would be the student's learning goal.
Like, why the student is learning this?
Yes. Because why do you need to learn that? You know it, right? You tailor fit your strategy. And then, when you do your recap, let's say ang learning goal niya is I want to be able to speak with my colleagues, ganyan, or present properly in a business setting. So, let's say bumili siya ng class mo na, let's say 10 classes. How near or far is that student from this objective when they bought classes with you? So let's say naka-anim na siya or naka-walo na siya. So will this student be able to present the primary objective of learning with you? Yeah. Dito mo siya ipapasok. Okay? So, of course, kailangan minimum 50, but you can go a little bit over, up to 55th minute.
Also 55 minutes. Okay po tayo.
This is the new GE. Pagdating naman sa BE, Business English, So, nandito yung kung paano mo pasukin yung website. But basically here, in that drive, you will just see a sample class, which I also gave you another link. It's the
Yeah.
most recent one, yung naka-YouTube mo. So,
Opo.
ang time management ng BE nandito, which is here. So, ang difference lang nila sa new GE is the same 2 o'clock yung class. Tapos, introduce self, useful phrases, contents. So 5 minutes all in all. And then warm up, 5 minutes. Mas mahaba ang business English, 15 minutes sa vocab. Pero ganun din, teach at least 2 new words and expressions. 15 minutes, but no more than 20 minutes. So let's say pagdating dun sa, kasi sometimes it's PowerPoint, sometimes it's PDF. Ang gawin mo kung merong 6 vocab, i-divide mo yung time per vocab. Kunwari, kung 15 minutes, take to 3 minutes to cover 15. Ganyan. Pero sometimes, in the real class, you cannot really stick to 15. So kaya nga, not more than 20 minutes, but sometimes it's a little longer. That's fine. As long as, pag ET class, you should be able to evaluate. So ang pinaka magsasuffer dyan is yung discussion. Kung tumagal kayo dito. Kaya, nagkaroon ng pre-class. So that student will be learning the vocab
Time.
prior to the class. Kasi nangyayari sa iba, half of the class, vocab, tumatagal.
Wow.
So ngayon, pagdating sa business English, merong expressions, kunwari, welcoming a new employee. So let's say, welcome aboard, ganyan. So basically, we don't just ask student to read. Pagka low level at gusto niyang basahin, pwede naman. Pero you as a teacher, primarily, you must prompt for usage. Just like, okay, kunwari ikaw si student, okay, Mark, how do you use welcome aboard when you are welcoming a new colleague or a new employee? Can you try it? Usage. 3 minutes nga lang. So parang list of lang siya, expressions. Saglit lang. So kumbaga, mamimili ka lang ng gusto mong ipagamit or yung hindi siya familiar. Okay? Tapos pagdating naman sa role play, yung the usual ESL role play, you are in this, so describe mo anong gagawin, mention the situation, tapos ang timing is 10 minutes, but no less than 8 minutes. So let's say natapos kayo sa role play 4 minutes, yung nagpalitan kayo ng role.
Conversation.
Yeah.
Dialogue.
Yes, dialogue. Tapos let's say natapos kayo ng 4 minutes. Ang gawin mo para makonsume nyo yung 8 minutes, change roles kayo.
Okay.
Basically, as you exchange information with your student, the mistakes of the students, yung mga wrong sentence structure or wrong pronunciation, you will record that in the class notes. So let's say yung sentence niya na mali, habang nagsasalita siya, i-record mo lang sa class notes. Tapos sa class notes kasi, it's your own style. So whether you put their student or teacher or wrong sentence, better sentence, parang ganun. So it's up to you how you are going to tailor fit your own class notes for your students. Okay, so you type down the wrong expression and then you improve the sentence depending on level. Kasi let's say, kung magaling na, you can just correct it kung maganda na yung sentence. Pero kung napaka-elementary naman ng sentence, you can improve it a little bit by adding like some adjectives or some detail para medyo gumanda yung expression niya. Yeah. And then, you have a question, right?
Yes, po, TM. For the role play po, TM, do we have to make our own script or my script
Yeah,
na po,
meron.
TM?
It's in the
Ah,
website.
okay. And
Yeah,
another question,
you
TM.
mentioned the situation. It's there.
Okay. Another question, TM, yung sa role play po, do I have to correct him, like delayed correction pa rin po after we exchange the roles or before
Yes.
exchanging roles?
Yes, because like while you are doing the role play, nagmo-multitask ka doon. Kasi mag-role play kayo, tapos pag may mali siya, i-record mo.
Ito ba?
Ganun.
So after the change of role play, I mean
Exchange.
position na po.
After the
Okay.
exchange.
Roles. Okay, after.
After the discussion in the role play. So, recording ka lang muna.
Okay. Okay po, TM.
Pagdating sa discussion, it's similar to free talk. It's like a list of questions. Tapos ganun din, have follow-up questions. And then teach 2 new words and expressions related to the topic. Then class evaluation. I'll teach you the evaluation later. So
Okay.
this will be your map when you navigate the website. Okay? So, yung CFR, it's just like also like when we talked about IELTS score 5. Ganon din dito. Pagdating sa CFR level, I'll show you.
Okay po.
Yung level 5,
B1, B2. Okay, okay.
familiar.
I understand na po. Apo.
So yung level 5, ito. This student can, let's say, use simple sentences, simple expressions, ganyan, basic words. Yeah, mga level 5 yan. So ngayon, kung hindi complete ang sentence niya, phrases lang, yung iba, Chinese, ganyan. Bababa na siya sa level 5. Yeah. Just look into, this will be the description, pero sa DingTalk merong mas in-depth. But for now, before the demo, level 5 muna yung nakaka-simple sentence niya.
I see.
Okay? So yan ang mga kailangan mo matutunan. So again, no GE, ito yung business English. Plus you have a sample that I sent you.
Sample videos.
Let's move on to the website now. You want to share your own screen? Have you opened the test page?
Yes, but TM.
Sige, ikaw na lang.
Okay,
Please share your screen.
Saan ba yun? Okay, ito po, TM.
Ayan, ang bilis mo talaga.
Hindi na po.
Let me see yours. Okay, so you opened, you can click there, teaching plan. Hindi ko nakita kung ano yung clinic mo, GE ba or BE?
Wait po, TM. Nakalimutan ko yun po. Hold on. I think it was GE. Wait, hold on. Okay, GE na lang po.
Sige, teaching plan GE. Okay, so you can see that level 8 travel experiences. Can you click under the date and time? Teaching page.
Teaching
Sa baba.
page.
Baba ka. Baba.
Sa baba.
Wag kang magulo.
Ah,
From taas, kung nasan yung mouse mo, wag kang magulo. Sige, baba.
baba. Ito po dito.
Diretso lang,
Ah.
diretso lang. Diretso lang. Diretso, bababa. Oops. Up.
Up.
ET1. ET1.
ET1, okay.
Yeah. To the right, teaching page.
Okay.
Right.
It's loading.
You can close some tabs. Okay, yan na. Yan na.
Ito po ba yan?
Yan na. That's it. Ang gulo ng mouse mo.
Sorry po.
Huwag kang magulo. Huwag kang aligaga.
Okay.
Okay. Can you see the one on the left side?
Wait po, Tem. Ito na po pala na-open na. Ayun. Ito
Ayan
na,
na
totoo.
nga eh. Ang gulo
Okay,
ng
same
mouse
pala.
mo. This is it.
Sorry,
Don't
Te.
click anything. Don't click
Okay po.
anything. Okay. So can you see the one on the left side, upper left?
Opo, about student.
Yes. So as you open this is how it's gonna look like for the new GE. So how do you play this? Is you can first you see the about student, right? I-point mo yung mouse mo doon. Okay, go to the right. Same
To the
line.
right.
Right, same line. Right. Okay, go down. Slowly. Okay, you see the play button?
Yes, but this
Okay,
one?
play. That's the one. You see, you're gonna start like this. Can you hear me? Can you see me? Well, actually, so your video will be bigger. Pwedeng hindi pa naka-share screen. Maybe after this, you can share screen. So you can greet your student properly. Malaki-laki yung video. So, but you're gonna start with, can you hear me? Can you see me? Tapos, scroll down. Yeah. So your student in icebreaking will introduce, you can say, okay, student, can you introduce yourself? That's when you type in about student. Upper left. Yes.
Okay.
So sabihin niya yung name niya, tapos she's still a student, ganyan. Hobbies, you see purpose?
Sorry, Tem.
About student tayo. Tingnan mo yon.
Popo.
Yeah,
Purpose.
name,
Ito po.
hobbies, right? Nakita mo
To
yon.
improve
Upper
English.
left. Purpose.
Yes po.
That's the objective. Why they want to learn with you to improve English. Okay? So as you can see, this is the class notes, Teacher Marl.
This is the class notes page. Okay.
Yeah. So, yung sa baba, class note nakalagay, diyan ka magta-type. Yan ang class notes. Tapos, dito ka rin magsisave. Go up. Up, up, up. You see the button?
Yes.
Yes, that's where you save. Pag nag-type ka, you periodically save. Kasi, kunwari, nag-system issue, at least, na-save na most of it. Okay? Scroll down. Okay. This is the time that you introduce yourself. I want you to prepare some strengths from your past work. I believe you had some business process experiences, right? That can help you to be a very good general English teacher and business English teacher. It can be just 1 or 2 sentences to introduce yourself. Not very long, because they're probably not so interested because they want to speak in this class. Yeah. It's just for you to assure them that they will be in the right hands if they study. Yeah, that I'm able to help my students, or I had experience to work in an international company handling this and that. Ganon. You can send that to me, yung strength mo for GE teacher, so I can look into it
Okay
and
po,
see if
TM.
it's okay. So introduce yourself, go down please. So dito, you encourage your student to use this and be open to you in class, because most of the students aren't very open with their teachers. So this is the time that you encourage them. If there's anything they wanna request about their class, please do so and tell you directly. Wag na through TA. Pero don't mention na don't tell TA, but you can encourage them, please be open what you wanted to do in class. I'll be very glad to
To
adjust
assist you.
or
Oh,
to
adjust.
whatever it is that you need. I will feel so happy to do that in
Accommodate.
class. Yes.
Oh,
Okay. So that next, then you will mention that. So this is the start of the warm up, wherein
ah,
you can talk about what's the topic and then scroll down. You see that there are questions. This is where
mm,
you do the follow-up questions, 3 to 5 minutes. So between the time na start ng warm-up, may mga intro pa, right? I-accommodate mo
mm.
yun dito.
Ah,
Mm.
okay.
Actually, when I did my demo as well, hindi ko na anticipate na may warm-up pa pala dito. Akala ko yun na yung warm-up. Yung
Oh,
intro, di ba parang warm-up na yun?
opo.
So,
Mm,
medyo you have to, in such a manner that get those information, maybe 3 minutes, para dito you can have another 3 minutes, siguro 6 minutes ka all in all in the warm-up. Just so ma-relax mo si student. Konting practice lang. Yeah.
okay po.
So, it's important that when you mention about you, very brief lang. Kasi minsan si teacher, naku, 10 minutes na nag-i-introduce pa sa sarili. Kaloka.
Ang haba naman po.
May mga ganung teacher. Although marami namang bookings. Marami namang booking si teacher, pero napakadaldal. May mga teachers na napakadaldal. So, ang mangyayari kasi, kung 80 class, wala ka ng time para mag-evaluate. Chinika mo na ng warm-up eh. Inubos mo na yung 10 minutes eh.
Okay. Yeah nga po.
Okay, next. So, learning objective, you will just read it. Pasadahan mo lang yan. Few seconds is enough. Actually, 1 minute ang nandun. So, it's up to you to accommodate the time. Next. So, content. Next. Ito na itsura ng vocab. 10 minutes. Next. You see, it's just a list of words and mamili ka na the most difficult there, long Q, right? Use it in a sentence. Of course, papabasa mo muna sa kanila because check your pronunciation. Yeah, and then before you finish this part, ask for specific question if it's really understood. Okay.
Then, is it also okay to allow my students to choose from the words?
Ikaw na kasi tatagal pa kayo.
Okay.
Although sasabihin naman nila, I don't understand this word. Sasabihin naman niya sa'yo. So
okay,
kung yun ang sinabi nila, di yun na yung gagamitin mo to counter-check comprehension. Basta yung time lang kasi. So, in case hindi nila naintindihan, be ready to explain the word in an easy manner. Okay, next. So, ito vocab A. Then, may lalabas dyan. Sige, click. Yeah. So, basically here, kung low level, they can read it. Because what's gonna happen is, kung hindi nila naintindihan, you need to explain it in a very easy manner as well. Yeah, explain the given vocab in your own words. So, hindi kayo magbabasa. You will explain it, or your student can explain it. Oh, teacher, delay means using the words, their own words, not reading. But of course, pag low level, magbabasa lang. ikaw na lang mag-explain kung nagkakaintindihan kayo.
Okay po, Tem. So like by giving synonyms.
Remember, vocab is, before that, may direct correction pa, tas vocab A. So, i-manage mo yung time mo. Okay, next.
Okay.
Vocab B, of course, since it's discussion, let's talk, right? Discuss some questions. Ipa-prompt mo lang si student to, when they answer these questions, they will be using the new words that they learn. Like, eto na, hitchhike. So, how do you feel during the first encounter with airplane turbulence? Then, pag sumagot siya, you prompt or ikaw mismo ang gumamit ng words. So, check mo rin kung naintindihan nila yung new words that you just discussed. Okay. So, bear in mind that for those words that they don't understand, it's either you use your own words and you can, if you can see the class notes here, di ba, warm up, kita mo na meron na agad na student, tapos yung si Atay's correction, I'm not so sure.
Okay,
Yeah, so,
yes.
student, I think he's sad, tapos S, I think he wakes. Nakita mo yung konting correction habang nagwa-warm up sila. And then you see the vocabulary.
Yes po.
You can also use some dictionary words if needed. Like i-prepare mo for them, or maybe IPA of the word, pwede rin naman. So kakapain mo siya in such a manner that ano kayang mas useful sa student ko? Will it be andito yung meaning? Or is it just the IPA, how to pronounce? Because maybe they really understand it. But on your demo, i-prepare mo na pa rin. Kasi demo naman yun. Ensure lang natin na you will pass.
Okay po, Tem.
Okay? So, next. Grammar na, as you can see. Tingnan mo yung left side, yung ginawa ni teacher. Yung pagdating sa grammar. Ito na ba yung grammar niya? Ayun na yun.
Ito, Tem.
Yan na, grammar. So, pinalitan na to. Kasi before, yung prior to this, yung latest na nag-demo, meron dyang yung pinag-usapan natin, like sample sentence. So, like she, subject, plus verb, ing. May ganon. Pinalitan na ng last na nag-demo. May nag-demo kahapon. Yep, but this is yours. You can change it and save it ahead of time. Okay. As you can see in grammar, bukod sa ipapaintindi mo yung grammar in a very easy manner using the class notes with the example sentence. So here, the instruction is you have to clarify that. Have you had any experiences that are similar to these? So similar to example sentence. Can you read the first sentence?
The train was leaving the station when I realized I was on the wrong train.
So basically, the instruction is, may kapareho ka bang experience the same as this statement? Yeah. So, and then you pay attention to the sentences with the past continuous and past simple. So yung una is the past continuous was leaving, and then the next one is I realized is the past simple. So, babasahin mo lang yung instruction that you pay attention to the sentence. That the first one is the past continuous was leaving, and then the next one here, I realized, is the past simple. So, but basically, the main activity here is i-discuss nyo kung meron siyang similar experience as this one. Note that it's a long 1, 2, 3, 4. So, you just use the time allotment for grammar. 5 minutes lang. No need to linger. No need to finish. Because it's just 5 minutes. Right? Okay, next.
Speaking.
Okay. So, kita mo, on the left side, yung outline niya, may speaking, naka-record doon yung mistake, andun din yung correction. And then, as you can see, what's the instruction?
Do the pre-listening, listen to audio 1, and discuss the questions.
Okay, so that's the instruction. Make sure it's clear. And then, since sabi niya, listen to audio 1, what you will do is play audio 1. Can you play audio 1? So I cannot hear. You must share the sound. Stop share and then share again.
Okay. Share PC audio. Okay, can you see the share screen, TM?
Yes.
Okay po.
Well, I was in a rush that morning, and I
so here-
suppose I set off.
Stop. Okay, so clear dapat ang instruction, tapos you do what's the activity entails you to do, and then next. Speaking A, meron ulit audio, and then activity, next. Speaking B, you will see some pictures, and then you will ask the question. Kung may mali siyang sinabi, reflect in class notes, right? Delayed correction. Next. Free talk. Wala naman siyang video or audio. You will just have to clarify what you will do in this part. Describe one of your travel experiences. So, mag-share na siya. So, 1, where are you going? And then have a follow-up question, right? And then if there's something you will share related to travel experiences, any related, maybe some expressions or new words, put it here under free talk. You can actually pre-prepare what you will up. Yeah. So sa grammar and free talk, mag-prepare ka na ng knowledge expansion mo in relation to topic. So that by the time you are there, nakikita mo yung class notes mo, you can share it easily. Kasi nare-remind ka.
Okay.
So, what I did, Teacher Marl, was on my class notes, meron din akong timing there. Although, ngayon kasi yung material, nandun na yung 15 minutes, ganon. Before kasi wala pa yun. At saka yung, if you're gonna have your account, ano na, kunwari start of class, magta-timing na yung, merong timing na lalabas. So, 5 minutes into the class, 10 minutes into the class, 40 minutes into the class. So, pag 40 minutes, okay, the last 10 minutes, dapat maka-evaluate ko nito.
I see. Question po, Tem. It's not necessary to finish all the questions, right?
No need.
Okay.
Basta magpo-follow up question ka dito, mag-share ka ng expressions reflected in class notes and clarify the instruction. So, make sure you play the necessary audio in partnership with the material para alam mo which audio to play, which video to play. And then let's go back. Bago tayo mag-class evaluation, scroll up.
Dito po, Tem?
Dito sa, kita mo yung teaching material. Di ba free talk yan?
Opo.
Sige, click.
It's
Wala.
not clicking.
Yun
Opo.
na lang vocab. Yeah, so kita mo yung pre-class.
Opo.
Ayan siya, not started. Kasi guest account to eh. Dito mo siya makikita kung nag-pre-class siya. Click mo yung
Okay.
grammar. Meron din dito, but I don't recommend you to use this, but you can use it if you want to. I don't recommend you to use it because it's a lot of details. Maybe tatagal kayo sa grammar. Get it? But you can check it, see if it's gonna help you in your class, you can use it. Pero I suggest yung way na tinuro ko sa'yo would be best kasi 5 minutes lang.
Shortcut lang po.
Okay, and then how do you go back? Click again the teaching material. Yes. So, of course, sige, scroll down. The free talk summary, right? Pagdating sa, pag may nakita ka material later on, pag nagka-class ka na, may homework, no need to discuss the homework. Basta, umpisa na ang homework, nakita mo dyan. You can just say that, okay, these are the list of your homework. You can do so during your free time, but no need to discuss it. Even if you still have the time, kung gusto mo, you can go back to some of the things that needed more attention, but do not discuss homework in class. Okay, let's move to class evaluation. Left side, scroll down. Okay, ito na. Can you click rating form? Kita mo siya naka-level 8. Sige, i-click mo yung rating form.
Rating form.
Yeah.
Okay.
So while you are assessing your student, naka-share screen ka na rin.
Opo. So bali po, Tiam, well, I'm having a class presenting the class, so the student can also see my class notes.
Yes.
Why is it loading?
Okay, kasi marami kang nakabukas na na tabs. Okay.
Hold on, Tiam, let me check my internet. Ay, naman. Baka sa system?
Sa akin, hindi ganyan.
Ayun na po.
Okay, yan na. So, di pa siya nag-fully load eh.
Somehow similar sa IELTS scoring po pala.
Yes, pero kasi sa IELTS, yung scoring medyo ang daming kiniklik. Ito is mga 8 items lang to. Matagal. Sa akin, isang click ko lang, lalabas na yun. Anong speed ng internet?
Usually 100 to 200 po ito, Tiam eh. Maybe because it's very cloudy here.
Actually, pagka naka-LAN ka naman, hindi affected yung internet mo ng clouds.
Ah,
Okay, the
malaki
internet
naman
is...
siya.
Okay, can you go back?
Sige po.
Ayan na. Alright. So, baka intermittent siya kasi ayun okay na siya. So as you can see here, you can say based on your performance, I'm gonna choose for your vocab, click. So you click 1 kasi kanina 8, right? Maybe you can click another number. Okay. And then in your grammar, so may description naman dyan, you were able to blah blah blah. Click. Ang gulo ng mouse mo. Click.
I'm sorry po.
Go. Pronunciation, click. So, i-discuss mo siya. Next. 3 minutes lang kasi to.
Ah,
Kasi, but you can see that it's like a simple description of how they perform. So, I don't think it's going to be a difficult task, right? Okay. Next. Click. And so in our interaction, di ba, nagdi-discussion kayo, ganyan. So, and then save.
yung submit po, Tem.
Submit. Yes. So you
Done.
see success, and then wala siyang back, right? So punta ka sa previous window. Yan. Refresh. Hindi na siya 8. You see that? Yan na. So, sandwich method, you will mention after that, okay, your level is 5. Na-discuss mo, right? Habang kiniklik mo. And then, you were very good in blah, blah, blah. So, good performance. And then, areas to work on. So, I believe we need to work on your grammar because blah, 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 blah. And then, actually, hindi naman kailangan ng specific examples, but you can specify a little bit if you can. And then for study suggestions, make it personalized. Like for instance, kung grammar ang kailangan yung improve or sentence structure, you can say, don't mention listen to podcasts, read movies. It's so general and a lot of teachers are saying that. So what you need to do is to personalize it. Okay, so since you need to work on your sentence structures, I suggest you read some books. So what kind of books can you read? So then you can put some, since you haven't tried reading some novels, we can start you with short stories. So then put it there. And then that's all. You save. Kasi,
Balik sa top.
yes. So, mag-iiba na lang yan. So, pag mag-business English ka na, window prior to this. So, you see, that one. Our business English is about introductions. So, click teaching page.
Can I close this, Tem?
Yeah. Yeah, so this is it. You see, it's not PowerPoint. This is just PDF. Yeah, PDF file. So again, usually you will have one examiner for both GE and BE. So even if you have met the examiner before for your first demo, you will still do the introduction. May I know your name, please? So,
Ah,
mag-introduce pa rin siya, tapos mag-introduce ka pa rin. You see that walang can you scroll down? Content na agad. Wala na yung mga
yung
student will
introduction.
introduce or you will introduce. Pero you can ask that here. You will still do the introduction. You see name, profession, hobbies, reason for studying. Upper left.
Mm-mm.
Yan, gagawin mo pa rin yung introduction bago ka magsimula na introductions.
Okay. Before ako mag-share screen po, 'di ba?
Actually, style mo yan, but I recommend that as you begin to, let's say, okay, can you hear me? Hello, it's welcome to my class. Can you hear me? Can you see me? Hindi ka pa muna nag-share screen para malaki-laki yung camera. Yung hindi niya agad nakikita yung pag-aaral habang pina-welcome mo siya. Ngayon, kung low level at kailangan niya ng guide, you can share the guide, how they can introduce themselves. But if the student is not low level, you will you will do the warm-up without sharing screen yet. So after the warm-up and you will start the class, that's when you share screen. Kasi yung no GE, merong kang share na introduction. Pero remember, this is business English. So walang beginner na nagbe-business English.
Yes po.
Diba? Most of the time, somehow, they probably know how to introduce themselves. So, pwedeng hindi ka pa nag-share screen, then magwa-warm up ka na. Yes.
Okay.
I mean, warm up meaning introductions. You do the introductions. Because as you scroll down, sige, scroll down. Ito pa lang yung warm up, yung questions. You see that? So, habang introductions ka, pwedeng hindi ka pa nag-share screen dito sa Business English. You just fill up the name, blah, blah, blah. Name, profession, hobbies. So kung warm up na, tapos na yung introductions, that you will still do in Business English, even if you have met your evaluator student, you will still do the introduction. Siya muna mag-introduce, tapos ikaw.
Okay.
Okay? Because you still need to get the objective reason for studying with you. Remember, your map is time management is the BE. Pag titingnan mo yung BE, may introductions pa rin. Because you don't start with this one. You get it? You don't start with a warm-up 5 minutes. May introductions pa. Gets mo?
Okay. Introduction then warm-up.
Oo. So, now, yung warm-up, ganun pa rin. Have follow-up questions. Yeah. That's when you share screen na. Pag warm-up na. Yes. Okay. And then vocab. Yan na. So, 6 vocabs. That you need to fit into 15 minutes. But, kung mag-over ka, okay lang naman. Basta not more than 20 minutes.
20.
As you can see, andito na yung meaning. So, basically, pagka hindi na lang maintindihan at low level, you can use translate na kung hindi niya talaga maintindihan. Kunwari, ito na yung meaning. Tapos in-explain mo na, tapos hindi pa rin niya magets. What can you use? What are the 3 websites that you can use in class?
Google Translate. Yes, and also in the DingTalk training earlier, TM, it said that I can also use this one.
Okay, yes, translate.
This part.
Okay.
Yes.
How about if you need some pictures?
Google or Bing.
No.
Baidu.
Baidu. You cannot use Google to search pictures, especially you are screen sharing at the beginning warm-up. So if you wanted to share some pictures from Google, Pwede ka maglagay sa class notes but do not save it kasi mag-e-error. Pagpapanoorin
okay.
mo yung link, YouTube,
Mm-mm.
si Teacher Stacy would love to prepare her classes with pictures. Gustong-gusto ng students niya. Pero hindi mo pwede ma-save yung picture sa class notes or mga emojis kasi mag-e-error. Pwede lang siya during class kung nagdi-discuss ka for better comprehension. Okay?
Okay.
So, translate Baidu for images. You can use that in class kahit naka-screen share ka. Pag sa travel, please take care. Pagka may mga mention of yung mga places in China, you make sure that you take note of the Hong Kong, Macau, Taiwan.
Sensitive topics. Okay.
Yes. So, if you can veer away from that, it's better. Parang ibahin mo na lang yung topic. Pero in case na siya mismo yung nagsabi, parang i-recognize mo lang na yun yung sinasabi. Yeah. If ever you need to say that, like, let's say meron kang, oh, you mean, kunwari Hong Kong. Oh, you mean another city in China, right? Yan. So, sa best mo lang sasabihin, huwag mo na ulit-ulitin. Tama na yung once. Just to clarify your position na yung Hong Kong na pinag-uusapan mo is not another country, but is a city in China. Okay? Kasi may travel. Okay, so yeah, vocab, and then you know it. Vocab is 15 minutes, listening, go. By the way, yung listening, wala dun sa time management natin. So basically, nandito naman yung time ng listening. It's 10 minutes. So, kung meron dun expressions tsaka role play, kuhain mo na lang yung time and compute the time. Kasi ako lang naman din nag-compute nun. Gawin mong listening 10 minutes. Kung wala namang role play dito or expressions. Get it?
Okay.
Okay, next. Discussion. So no need to finish all of that, but you need to do follow-up questions. And then you share something, related expressions. No need to finish all. Next. Ito na, yung optional task, no need to do. Because, sige, scroll down. Yan, homework kasi, no need to discuss that in class or teach it in class.
Homework. So this is the homework TM, right?
Hindi mo na itatouch yan.
Okay.
Homework. Under homework siya, di ba? Under homework siya, no need to touch that.
Done. Keep moving.
So yung optional task, if you have the time, and syempre yung, how do you say, yung, you need to assess the student, right? Evaluation, 3 minutes. If you have the time, sige, discuss mo yung optional task. Pero I don't think you will have. So,
I see.
wag na yung optional task. After ng evaluation, doon ka na lang mag-spend time to give the mga study suggestions, ganyan.
So bali after ng after ng discussion, and then I can go directly to the homework na po.
No, evaluation.
Evaluation. And then after the evaluation, tapos na po.
Tapos na.
Okay. For this PDF TM, I cannot make it bigger po, tama? Like full screen.
Kasi may video din siya eh. Ina-accommodate yung video. Can you click the audio video? Kasi may option din na palakihin yung audio video eh. Sige. Yeah. And then go back teaching material.
It's not clicking po. I'll just scroll up na lang.
Audio video ulit. Ayan. So, yun din pala ulit. Audio video. Sige nga, pakiclick ulit yung audio video. So, yun pala yung panglaki. And then click audio video again. Yeah. And then, can you play the
Okay.
video?
Susan,
Kasi
I'd
pwede
like you
rin
to meet
malaki
Miles
yung parang
Henderson from
square.
Simtech Limited.
Ito. Okay, right. Okay. Full screen.
Okay, can you close? Yeah. So, audio video ulit. Kung gusto mong palakihin yung
Okay. Okay po, Tem.
Di ba pag titignan mo lang yung material, you can already deliver it. Just you remember, dito in this part, kailangan ko itong sabihin yung instruction, gano'n. Kailangan lang ako mag-share ng extra knowledge expansion. Kasi you see it.
Yes po, Tem.
Tama ba?
Question po, Tem. Is there any strict script compliance din po like IELTS?
Wala naman ako sinabing gano'n, right?
Okay.
I just mentioned to you that in introducing yourself, mention strength and you can compose it.
Okay. Okay.
Can you stop sharing?
Sige po, Tem.
Okay, so basically, pag makita mo yung material, ipaplan mo lang yung up to how do you deliver, ito yung timing ko. Once you're able to plan your delivery, basically, and the timing, you can already do the demo. Tama ba ako, teacher?
We'll try it, Tem.
We'll try. Okay, because
Familiarization.
kasi I'll stop sharing. I mean, I'll